Hey, what's up guys? Alex from Alpha Killer Warrior. So we're doing another fan flyover today. I got the autopilot on. We're flying over fan's house in Colchester. A TikTok friend of mine. He sent me a DM, gave me his directions to his house. I got it in the GPS, and we'll do a couple orbits, and we'll say hi to our TikTok friend. What up, John? Looks like we got a private airport right near the guy's house. 1,500 foot grass. And field elevation is 510, so I'm going to maintain no lower than 1,500 for the flyover. We're at 2,000 now. Autopilot's on. I got the heat on today, a little chilly outside. A lot of overcast, so I don't know why I'm wearing shades. But I could still see pretty good. These are a prescription. Alright, he sent me a picture of what his house looks like, so I'll keep an eye out for that. It's got a pool in the backyard. It's kind of in the middle of a bunch of trees. So hopefully it's easy to spot. Alright, we're coming up 5 miles out. 5.5 miles out. 3 minutes away. So I'm disconnecting the autopilot. And electric fuel pump's going on, lane light's going on, wingtip light's on. I'm lit up. Mixture is full rich. So we're going to do some maneuvering here. I don't see any aircraft on ADS-B. There is a airport nearby, so I got to keep my eyes peeled for that. I see a lake about where I'm looking for to my 12 o'clock. Hello, Colchester. How are you guys? What goes on in the town of Colchester? What interesting facts can we talk about Colchester? Grass strip to our 9 o'clock. I'm recording, so grass strip right there. Right in front of the wing. Alright, where is this house? I'm looking for it. I'm looking. I wonder if that's it over there. Turns around a house. Well, I gotta come up a little bit more. Hopefully he's filming me from the ground. I sent him a DM. I need like some flares or something. Well, I'm orbiting the area. I'm looking for a pool. Somebody got pools? Now I'm on a tailwind here.
Thanks for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really want to thank my channel members for helping support my channel. If you love aviation and you love my channel, consider joining and becoming a channel member. I'd love to put your name in these end credits.
Maybe he covered his pool. Maybe that's it over there. I don't know. Still, it's fun to be up in the air on a mission. That might be his house there.
And don't forget to follow me on my socials. I have 3 times more aviation content on there than I do on YouTube.
That's got to be over here somewhere. Oh, there it is. That's the pool. Alright, I see what I'm looking for now. Alright, let's do this. I'm right over it. I'll come around. I see it. Definitely tucked in there. There you are. I got you. I got you, man. It's a lot harder than it looks. I practice these maneuvers in flight training. The wind is pushing me today like crazy. His house just kind of appears out of nowhere over here. Yeah, it's definitely tucked in there. I'm waving now to him if he's out there. Awesome. All right. Back up the power. I get rid of these notch flaps. All right, climb back up to 2,000.
Have a sparkling day.